Hey guys, it's your girl, SASHA J Diva, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited. Want to know why? Because Mother's Day is right around the corner. And you know how our mother's been working for us so hard and love us so much? Well, now it's our opportunity to show them that we love them as well. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make a beautiful bouquet for your mom. So let's get started. Oh, I almost forgot, silly me. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and give me a huge thumbs up. And now let's get started for real. First, we need the perfect match. Then, balance. Let's add 2 more roses because who doesn't love roses? Ooh, it looks pretty when we're not even halfway done. Then, texture. Ooh, I love these kind of flowers because they look so light. Another 2 more roses. Ooh, Okay, and then this one would go right here in a pattern. Now it's time for these 2 flowers. Ooh, wait, I'm gonna put these ones in the middle. Ooh. And then this one in the middle as well. Now I get these 2. Okay. And then I'm going to turn it around and put this one right here. I think my mom would love this one because her favorite colors are pink and purple. So I'm for sure that she's going to like this one. But we are going to be making another bouquet to see which one my mother likes better. And you guys are going to vote down below in the comments in the area because I'm going to be making another one and this one. And you guys get to pick. And if you guys pick both of them, like at the same amount, I can give both of them to my mom. But if you guys pick this one, I'll give this one to my mom. And if you guys pick the one that I'm gonna make right now, I'll give that one to my mom. So we don't know yet, but we're gonna find out after everybody's done. So let's move this aside. Here's my second vase. It doesn't look as pretty as the other one, but we can still deal with it. So now let's carry on with the bouquet. So remember, we'll always need the perfect pair. Ooh. And my mom loves white and yellow, so I think she's gonna like this one as well. Then balance. Ooh. This flower looks so pretty. I really like it a lot. Let's add 2 more roses because, again, who doesn't love roses? Ooh, hold on a minute. This one's trying to play. Finally, we got it in. Then, texture. I like this kind of texture. Then, color. If you want to make something like this, you would always need a color like this. Let's put this in the middle. Wow, we're almost done, but it already looks like that we're done. I'm going to add all of the roses because I feel like my mother would love these roses. I'm gonna put this rose in the middle. There we go. Okay. Oh, wait, I forgot about another color. Silly me. I'm gonna put this color right here. Oh, and I'm going to put these ones because I want it to be very pretty, so I'm gonna put these ones on the top. Ooh. Wow, it looks so pretty. So now we just need these white flowers. They look so pretty. They're actually white roses, but I like calling them flowers. I'm gonna put them right here so you can take a look at them. They look so pretty. And now I'm going to put one at a time. I'm gonna put them one at a time inside. My mother would love this bouquet. I just know it. Ooh, and now I'm gonna put these two right here, and then right here. It looks so pretty. And now the finishing touch, the single white rose. I'm gonna put it on the top of everything else. Ooh, it looks so pretty. And now I'm going to get the other bouquet that I made. So let's turn the face. Voila, my masterpiece. They both look so pretty. My mom would absolutely love both of them or one of them. I don't know. And don't forget, comment down below which one looks better. I love y'all. Bye.